In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome redirects. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you are having a problem with Google Chrome redirects, there's a couple of things you can do to fix this problem. First, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots. Then what you want to do is come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. And in the privacy and security section, what you want to do is come down and click onto site settings. Then what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom on the next screen, and underneath content you're going to see an option for pop-ups and redirects. Give that a click, and what you want to do on the next screen is make sure first for default behavior you select the option to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Now you can also do this manually for certain websites if you want to, and once you've done that, that should fix the problem. But if you are still experiencing problems, what I would recommend doing next is coming over to the menu on the left hand side, clicking onto reset settings, and then clicking this option here to reset settings to their original defaults. At this point a window is going to pop up. Just click the blue reset settings button. That should hopefully fix the problem, but if after doing this you're still getting some problems, it's possible you could have some malware or some sort of virus on your PC, in which case what you want to do is run a scan with your antivirus software, or if you don't have one installed you can use Windows Defender, which is pre-installed on all Windows PCs, and that should pick up on any malware and remove them, and of course fix any redirect issues. So that is how to fix Google Chrome redirects. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.